Presenting a pre-owned 2018 Audi A7. This four-door sedan has a six-cylinder, 3.0-liter V6 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Audi is a steal with less than 2,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 20 miles per gallon in the city, and 29 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ask to see the free AutoCheck Vehicle History Report. Key features include cold weather package, automatic climate control, Bluetooth, DVD player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, moonroof, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and navigation system.